I'm Lauren of All Trades, and I'm going on a tour of the Family Harbor Lounge on the Carnival Jubilee.
Pull the blanket out.
Today I'm on the Carnival Jubilee and I'm gonna go check out the Family Harbor Lounge. If you don't know, usually you know if you're in a Family Harbor cabin, because you do have to be in a Family Harbor designated cabin, not just on the same deck as the lounge to have access to it. You need to have this red and blue carpet outside your cabin, and if you don't, if it's a different carpet, then you don't have access. But if you have that carpet, you do have access whether you knew it or not. So I'll go check out the lounge and the food and all the good stuff about the Family Harbor.
Okay.
So that was the Family Harbor Lounge. It has board games, books, video games, breakfast, an afternoon snack, and cookies and milk. My favorite thing in the Family Harbor Lounge is the free latte machine. I get always at least like 3 lattes a day. Often, most of them are decaf, anytime that I'm in a Family Harbor cabin and have access to the lounge. And the additional benefits that you get by being in a Family Harbor cabin are free not Camp Ocean's always free. 1 free night of Night Owls babysitting. Kids eat free in the specialty restaurants, although they eat from the kids menu, which is different than the adult menu, but it's free instead of like a $12 or $15 cost like it normally is. And there are some other benefits as well, which are escaping me, which I will just sneak onto the screen right here. Or maybe it's nothing. Maybe I basically remembered everything. Oh, they're supposed to have Family Harbor robes, 2 adult size and 2 kid size in red and blue, which are really cute. But I'm not 100% sure because I've been on at least 1 cruise that didn't have them and 1 that did. So I'm not 100% sure on the availability of the robes. And that might be it. The main benefit is access to the lounge. It is a nice, quiet space. It is a little bit busier, a good amount busier at breakfast because a lot of people like to come here. It's super convenient to the cabins. It's also really nice on debarkation day because then you just go right down the hall with your bags and you just hang out until you're able to get off the ship. I've learned that on my past cruises. And like I said, the free latte machine. I'll just keep saying that because it's my favorite thing ever. That's it for me and the Family Harbor Lounge on the Carnival Jubilee.